Hello, friends and folks. It's another first Sunday of the month. How time flies, isn't it? And I want to thank all of you, my subscribers, old and new, for allowing me to have this journey with you. For the newbies, I am Chari. Hi, and welcome to the Creative Midolescent. And today I will be sharing with you why I like the Morphy Richards Fastbake Breadmaker. And this is not a paid advertisement. So here goes. Well, a year ago, my bread maker gave up the ghost, and it's quite a bit of scary experience because I thought our kitchen will catch fire because of it. Well, I've kind of not bothered to buy a new one because we've gone on the road of juicing, or our breakfast is now more of fruit juices. But my nephew gifted me this bread maker last Christmas. I will not tell you anymore what the brand of my past bread maker is, but I will tell you why this is a good choice, why my nephew was right in choosing this bread maker. I will also show you a few of the bread recipes that I did using this. Okay, so this is the bread maker. As I said a while ago, we don't eat bread for breakfast anymore because we had the juices, the fruit juices that we use with this one, our NutriBullet. But occasionally we use bread, or we eat bread for lunch, and usually my hubby as well, especially when his assignments are quite far. So I send him bread and some fruits for lunch. For someone who's always busy, this fast-bake bread maker is really a handy one to have, as you will no longer be spending time mixing and kneading. You just chuck it all in, and as long as you follow the order of ingredients in their recipe, it's fine. It's done. Oh, that's divine. It smells so divine. Beautiful. On my past bread maker, if you put the unspecified flour, the bread doesn't really turn out nice. Usually it requires strong white flour, but I like my bread a bit softer. So now I usually use just plain flour, and the bread comes out quite delicious for my taste. So let's try it. Beautiful. For me, the idea of having a bread maker is for us to be able to eat fresh bread when we like it. Of course, the other benefit is the house smells really good when you're baking. Lovely raisin bread. Wow, perfect. Perfectimondo. Now
There's only two of us in the house, so we actually only need a small loaf. The good thing is, this instruction book provides you the measurements for a smaller loaf, which is 680 grams, perfect for us, and a bigger one, which is 907 grams, if you have visitors. Smart, isn't it?
Mm. Mm. Very hot, but very nice.
It's very easy to use. You know, I'm a bit of a technophobe, but this bread maker is really so user-friendly. Look at this.
It really smells so good, so I will try. Nice, really nice. And even the end of the bread, so beautiful. Lovely. That's my chocolate bread. Smelling so good. Okay, I'll try this one. So that's fresh bread anytime for you. You don't even need to be a baker. If you liked our segment today, please click that like button below and don't forget to subscribe. Keep learning, keep living. See you next week. Bye.